male number 1. Diba? Our early bird as well. The first one who registers this morning. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Ivan Christoph Tadiwan. I'm from Navotas.
How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
6 years old. So what do you want to be when you grow up?
Doctor. Para po makatulong sa kapwa.
Very good. So, ano gagawin mo for today?
Dancing.
What are you gonna dance for us?
Surprise.
Surprise! Okay, so I wonder what that surprise is. Who taught you how to dance?
Si ate po.
Si ate. Over there. Ayan.
Okay.
Sinong favorite mong pinapanood na dancer?
Si kuya po.
Si Kuya din. Okay, so the dancer runs in the family. Lahat sa families masaya.
Hindi po. Opo.
Okay, sige. Alright, so we'll see you, male number 1, with the surprise dance number. Okay, good luck.
When they wanna go, they know all my money show. I don't ever get it one way. Yeah, spit it and I get it same day. Hey, I didn't come here to party. I didn't come here to stay. I came to leave with somebody.
I only came for the truth.
Alright, thank you so much. Ang dami palang tinuro nila kuya at ni ate. Pati pandrobi ko ng bini, no? Okay, sige. Just sa mga prizes na narinig mo kanina, ano yung pinaka-favorite mo?
Cake po.
Cake! Okay! Gusto nila, okay, prize from the family, ha? Pag nanalo si baby boy. Okay, thank you so much, our male number 1. Thank you!